So we finna try some vegan barbecue. It's vegan meat. I put it on the grill, and we got some plain corn, no seasoning. Let's taste it. Oh, but we got a story. So I'm barbecuing, right? Tell me why motherfucking bird. I was saying before I interrupted. So a motherfucking bird came on the grill, took my motherfucking hot dog. I'm not lying. That motherfucker took my hot dog. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm telling you, know how they be quick to fly away? That motherfucker stopped, looked at me, and did this. I'm not lying, bro.